Hi friends, in this video, I will show you how to paint motorcycle fuel tank in less than 2 minutes. Here we go. Step 1. Use paint remover and strip to bare metal. This is just overview. I also uploaded full-length videos as parts. Links are in the description. Check it out. Step 2. Spray epoxy primer on bare metal to protect from rusting. Step 3. Apply Bodyfiller on deep dents, and use spot putty to fill imperfection in the Bodyfiller. Step 4. Spray 2K primer. It's give excellent adhesion between paint and epoxy. Also fill small pinholes. Step 5. Use red oxide as guide coat to make sure there's no more dents, sanding scratches or pinholes. Step 6. Spray base and clear, and let it dry for overnight. Step 7. Wet sand with 1500 grit sandpaper using soapy water, and apply decals or stickers. Step 8. Finally, do a clear float coat to protect decals from chipping and UV protection from sunlight. Done. That's it. If you like this video, hit the like button and share. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel.